The evening session becomes excellent, where you meet important people, and that's also during the daytime, and you can also socialize with business people and those who want to give you opportunities or bring good news to you. And love areas are very active, so bonding in marriage or romance areas is also very good to do on Saturday the 19th, an excellent day for you. Sunday the 20th starts very well with planets of imagination and creativity and planning, which is all good, but at the same time there are some negative planets also roaming in and out. You will find that from a good situation where everybody agreed with you, suddenly disarray where everybody now disagrees with you and changes of plan upsets everybody. So watch out that things like that can happen on Sunday the 20th of November. The evening session is what I worry the most, as these negative planets gain more ground. They make you rebellious and a person whose teamwork becomes very poor, and they make you very impulsive in your reactions to others in a rude way. So try not to do that, or the evening session produces some difficulties. Monday the 21st for you is a day where the best and the worst can happen. Let me put it that way. The best can be that you strike a big deal, or that in a career you get very good news and support from your bosses, or that you strike a lottery, that's very possible too, or that your your love partners, whether marriage or romance, are extremely favorable and they plan to be with you and support you. The worst can be where financially miscommunication, mismanagement become blown up to be very big affairs, where the words you use will be construed as very accusatory, where you're accusing people of things they don't like to hear, where arguments get out of hand. So now it's all up to you. Do you want it to be a very good day? Don't do what I told you not to do. Being accusatory and becoming a person who blames others, be argumentative as well, very hasty and impatient. Be a person who is willing to support others, and you will find that Monday the 21st remains a good day even in the night time. Some danger of accidents is seen. Some very fast planets will make you very impatient, hasty. Maybe you will speed while driving, and so slow down. Slow down in action, slow down in speech, and you can make the 21st of November a very good day for you. Tuesday the 22nd of November is a very difficult day. It produces a lot of issues that go wrong and remain wrong. Very little of your good planets are seen. So whatever you do, blame comes very quickly. So in areas of career or business, losses can accrue very fast. Blame will come readily and quickly. And whatever investments you have, only bad news comes. And even your work areas, blame will come very quickly. Disagreements come very fast. So it goes on and all throughout the day, even when you're socializing in the evening session, where disappointment is seen, where money spent is not worth the while, and whatever you do is a waste of time. So try to minimize exposure to all this kind of risk that I'm talking about. Lie low. Wednesday the 23rd becomes a very bad day for you. The majority of the planets seen are against you. So mistakes at work can become very big. Money lost can be a big blame upon you. Saying the wrong things can bring the finger of blame against you. And you can be accused of breaking up partnerships or breaking up friendships as well. Stay out of arguments, mind your own business, lie low, stick to what you know, don't go into areas of wanting to be adventurous. The element of risk must be brought down to the maximum or to the minimum, and don't take risk of any kind, avoid it. The evening session improves. Now this evening session planets are also seen in the daytime, but their activity is very little, so they come off and on bringing you something good which turns bad very fast. That's the kind of day. Evening session does improve. You can plan travel, or you can meet people who become good friends with you or involved with you in a love area as well. You can enjoy entertainment very much as well. But even in the evening session, tell yourself, hastiness, impatience, being argumentative, never allow that to arise. Thursday, the 24th of November, is another very, very bad day for you. Very bad in the sense that your positive planets are seen very weak. So money can be lost. Good news can be very depressive. All your plans, there are plenty of hurdles and obstacles, so delays frustrate you. In the personal love areas, things go wrong very quickly, and a danger of breakups can also arise very fast. So try not to show an argumentative nature, try not to show a rebellious nature from your side, and that way you can control the day to a level where things will still go wrong but not very wrong. And watch out for accidents as well. Friday the 25th is an excellent day. You become very lucky. Whatever you do, you win support. In career business areas, you do very well. In love areas, you can also do very well. A bonding takes place in your marriage or in your romance areas. Good to socialize. In your work areas, you tell yourself that you get very lucky. Good news comes your way, and either for elevation in your work or new business contracts, or that you are making good contacts. Socializing, also socialize. But only one thing about socializing. Some of the planets are a bit aggressive. So try to control this aggressive part of you, and you will be also doing extremely well mixing business and pleasure in the socializing time. So an excellent day, 25th of November for you. 26th of November slows down. So don't be too expectant. Try to be patient. Things will happen slowly, not to your favor. So at least you will be in control. Don't disrupt the day by being argumentative or being very restless or wanting to take risks. The night time, some improvement is seen. While these daytime planets move also into the night time, your nighttime planets are better off. So they produce good meetings with people who are important. They put you in the limelight so that others favor what you say, others like who you are. So by all means socialize as much as you can. Some past issues are seen throughout the day to be cropping up, and they can be like somebody of your past who troubled you, may call you to trouble you again or bring problems to you again, or that something you did in your past may now surface to again make you feel guilty or to give you some kind of a problem. Okay? Sunday the 27th of November is an excellent day for you. You bond very, very well. All kinds of relationships do well. It's a day where if I were you, I may contact my colleagues to be with them or for at some time during the day where your plans can be discussed and they can understand you very nicely. Or you may want to discuss and meet your business potential partners or those you do business with. Or you may just want to leave the whole day with family areas. Anything you do will be done very well. Evening session shows you're very imaginative and very emotionally nice. The daytime session you can be a bit aggressive, so try not to be that. So an excellent day, Sunday the 27th of November. Monday the 28th is when you will be full of self-pride, showing off, being very arrogant, not taking criticism in any way or any form, and that is not good for you. Some of your best planets are lying low in the earlier part of the day, but as the day moves on, they surface and they bring solutions for you, they bring support for you, they make possibilities good for you. Now, during the day or night, you will have much of your better planets getting stronger and stronger. So there's always a solution waiting for you on the 28th of November. But take my advice, don't show arrogance, be a team player, and you can make the 20th of November, day and night, good for you. 29th of November is good for you in the sense that you are full of compromise, you are able to merge with others very nicely, you are very imaginative, you can plan the changes you want for the better. So all these things are good. Finances can be very progressive, ideas can be very acceptable to others, and overall you do very well. But there are also planets that roam in and out, which make you rebellious, or they make you a person very disagreeable to other people's ideas. Whenever that happens, tell yourself, let me think for a minute before I answer. That way you slow down saying things or doing things which can bring problems, because this is what the negative planets will want to do. They want you to react quickly and say the wrong things. And that's when the 29th of November can suddenly, from a good situation, turn bad. Evening session, there are more negative planets than positive. So while you can be happy and have the opportunities to socialize with the people you want, watch out that the tide can turn against you at any time. That can be done if you are rebellious, or if you are argumentative, or if you are disruptive in some way or another, like being rude. So don't do that, and you will be able to control the 29th of November, day or night time. Wednesday, the 30th of November, is a very lucky day for you, but it's a day of extremes. Your best planets are sitting with your worst planets. So Wednesday, the 30th of November says, I will give you all the good possibilities, and your negative planets say, we will try and bring disruption to all of them. Now it's all up to you. Don't be argumentative, don't be hasty or impatient, and most of all, try to merge in teamwork. Don't be a solo player. Otherwise, the finger of blame will look for you alone to put you into trouble. Finances can do very well or can do very poorly. Now, since they can do very well, tell yourself that don't take risks, play safe, and you will find that you will do well. If there are risky areas that you are not familiar with, that's where I worry that you will make mistakes very quickly, and then losses will be seen as well. So play safe on the 30th of November in career or business areas, and you remain okay. These negative planets are very strong, so they will bring, in terms of your personality, to become a very difficult person, and that of course means that you will lose support very fast. The evening session is more negative planets than positive. So either don't want to go socializing, or if you must, tell yourself that listen to what is being said rather than talking too much about it. The more you talk, the more mistakes you will make. So listen, enjoy yourself, be agreeable, be supportive of others, and you will find nothing very bad happens throughout the evening. But if you remain stubborn, or if you remain dominating, then you will see opposition coming to you even in the evening session. And that's my prediction for you in Sagittarius for the month of November. Good luck.